How to fix Twitter login problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Twitter login problem on Android phone. First open settings and then click apps and then apps again, and here click Twitter. You can just type here Twitter and you will find it, then click on it. And first thing you need to do here is to click storage and then click clear cache and clear data and click OK, and then click for stop here and go back, restart your phone and close all the applications in the background. Close all of those here and that's it. Try again and your problem will be fixed, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.